Hey Outdoorsy fam, my name's Steven. I'm one of the co-founders of Happy Trailz here based in San Diego. Today we're going to give you a tour of our van. Let's check it out. Our van is a 2021 Ram Promaster built by the amazing team over at Boho Vans based in Arizona. They do incredible builds, different designs, highly recommend checking them out. The great thing about running with us is we have all the camping equipment that you need for an epic camping trip. We include 2 chairs, 1 tiny table, a large table, as well as a camping stove, and an outdoor rug. So since this is a new Ram Promaster, it has all the most up-to-date features you want in a vehicle. On both mirrors, it has safety sensors. On the back of the vehicle, it has a backup camera. And we also include a swivel seat so that you can hang out with your friends directly in the back of the van. What's great about our van, you have so many different options for storage. You have plenty of storage up here, you have additional storage up here, you have also storage down below these, which we'll check out in a little bit. We also have a fully functioning sink. All you need to do is press this little blue button, activates the water pump, and water. This water drains into this gray water tank right down here. Down here you have a full fridge, has plenty of space in here. You typically load up groceries for about 5-ish days, and you'll be totally good to be off the grid. Here's what we call our garage space. So this is where we store all of your camping equipment, such as your table and chairs. We also have a full-size bed, the intake and outtake fan. Down below here, you also have a 25-gallon water tank that is used for your sink, as well as our amazing outdoor shower. And over here is where we have our battery and electronical setup. We have 3 lithium batteries, and on top of the van, we have 300 watts of solar, so you'll be charged your entire trip. Included in your van, we have 2 shower towels, as well as a bamboo floor mat in case you're not in an area that you could get the ground wet. We also have these pull-down window curtains so that you could have a very dark setting for going to bed and don't have to wake up and the sun's hitting your face. They're actually on all the windows. So on the 2 back ones, the windows in the van, we also have one on the bigger window on the side of the van as well. In the van, you have the ability to dim all the lights inside. So you have switches that go on and off. We also include a deck of cards, Uno of course, and this is one of our favorite items in the van. This is our adventure journal. Most of the renters that rented with us write a little bit about their trip, so anyone that wants to read where all the amazing places people have gone to in California, they could certainly do so. We also up here have a couple additional blankets in case it gets a little chilly at night. Then below here, we have everything that you could potentially think of that you might need for a camping trip. Think of the left one, all of your cookware, so your pots and pans, bowls, plates, silverware. And on the right one will be any cleaning supplies, garbage bags, first aid kit that you potentially might need. Underneath this one, we have a optional add-on Dometic portable toilet, additional storage, and we also have an awesome hideaway cubby in case you want to store any of your valuables here. All right, everyone, thanks so much for joining our van tour today from San Diego. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we hope to see you soon. Check us out on Outdoorsy.